kiwi á. Giờ mình đi tới cái chỗ kiwi nha. Cây nè, đó kiwi nè, đó. Đó. Wow, toàn là thấy trái không mà không thấy lá nha. Rụng hết rồi. Đó, lần đầu tiên trước giờ thử kiwi nhiều rồi mà chưa thấy cây kiwi nó ra làm sao hết á. Giờ là mở rộng tầm mắt nè. Dạ. Ok. Dạ. Mình chui vô. Dạ.
Lift the kiwi, lift the vine up, lift the net up.
We open our eyes today.
Find a soft one. If you feel a soft one,
Dạ, chung vô lưới. Tại này là người ta bảo vệ từ mấy con chim đồ này nọ các thứ á. Nè, kiwi nè.
When you pick a kiwi fruit,
Sweet.
these are pretty sweet.
Dạ.
When you pick a kiwi fruit, pick it with a stem.
Ok.
The little tiny stem. Just give
Có
it a
luôn
little
cái
snip
cuốn
off
luôn.
with
Đó.
your hand, and you can get a nice sweet
Đó.
kiwi fruit.
Try it.
That's a good one for home.
Cắn
It's
thử
nice
đi.
and firm.
Nè,
You wanna
cái
find
này là
soft ones, if you
kiwi
get
nè.
a soft one, make sure it's fully soft, and you can eat it. You're gonna eat a hard one. You like them hard. That's a hard kiwi. If you get a soft kiwi, more softer, it's more sweeter. This one here is a nice one.
Ngon.
Cắt ra với
Thử. Dạ dạ. He cut it for you nào.
Màu xanh, bên trong nó màu
Dạ màu xanh á.
Ngoài chúng người ta sao bự chì.
Just make sure they're soft. More softer they are, the more
Yeah.
sweeter they are.
This one very
More
good for
hard.
your health.
Yep, absolutely.
Dạ. Cái này ăn kiwi rất là tốt á.
Just make sure you have a feel of the kiwi fruit. If you find an extra soft one, make sure you pick them and eat them. This is even better again.
Cái này á mình muốn tốt á, mình lựa trái nào mềm á, xong rồi mình phải hái luôn có cái cuốn nha, chứ đừng có hái ở dưới không được. Người ta chỉ á.
This is an extra sweet one. Try that one. That one's even sweeter
Cái
again.
này nó có hái thì đi xuất khẩu được mày.
Yeah.
That's even sweeter again because that one.
She asking about you export this one as well or
No,
no?
we don't export. We go direct
Yeah.
from me to you off the
Yeah.
tree because it's more better.
Yeah.
Because it's sweeter and the money stays with the family. If we started exporting, we'll lose the business
Okay.
because you got to make him richer than yourself.
Yeah.
My one's sweeter. Is that one better?
Cái này không có bán, không xuất khẩu nha,
Không
chỉ
xuất khẩu,
cho
chỉ-
tới hái rồi vậy thôi.
So if you guys want to pick some for home, just break it off with a little tiny stem,
Yep.
so you can get the stem with it.
Hái ít
If you
về.
get the hard
Yeah.
ones, leave them on your bench.
Yep.
Don't put them in the fridge. Or put
For
them
how
in-
long? A
put
week
them in,
or?
Put them in the coolest part of your house.
Yep.
Keep them as cool as you can, and they can last up to months and months on end.
If we pick the hard one and keep,
Leave it on your bench. Don't
but
put them in
for
the
how
fridge.
long? Few weeks
As
or?
long as you want,
Okay.
until you reckon it's good enough to eat.
Yep.
nó cứng là nó không chín nè.
Thì mình phải về mình để ở ngoài. Giống như mình cũng có thể mình hái vừa trái chín vừa trái không chín, chứ mình hái chín hết vàng đâu kịp.
À đúng rồi.
Hiểu không?
Nhưng mà
Xong rồi mình để ở ngoài đó chừng khoảng vài ngày hơn tuần là nó tự động nó chín à. Còn mà muốn nhanh nữa bỏ vô thùng gạo vú. Hiểu không? Cái này ổng đâu biết đâu.
Thùng gạo là.
chiều này không biết.
Chiều này đâu biết, chỉ có
Bỏ thùng gạo
người
là-
Việt Nam mới biết thôi. Đó, hái cái này phải có cái cuốn á, đó mấy hái mấy trái bự vậy nè.
Cái nào
Đó.
bóp nó mềm mềm là
Đây
chín
này,
rồi.
nó
Cái
mềm.
nào nó-
Chín thì mình ăn liền. Đó, nè, quá đã nè.
Được mấy trái không?
Đâu. Thấy đâu.
Đây nè.
Thôi kệ nó được rồi, không sao đâu.
Nó chín
Save
vậy.
that one.
Thì cái nào mà mềm á là nó chín, còn cứng cũng được nữa thì về mình để ở ngoài á. Trong vòng mấy ngày là nó mềm là mình ăn được rồi.
Don't drop them; they're too good.
Dạ.
Nè.
You can eat more if you want to eat another one. You want?
Very good for your skin as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And good on pavlova.
Yeah.
When you have a pav.
Cái chai.
Soft.
She want try that one as well.
My one was better.
Cái trái ổng hái nó ngon hơn.
The last one was better.
Dạ.
You can eat them hard or soft. Depends on how you like them. You like them
Con
hard,
cá
that's
không?
alright. You can
Con
eat
cá
them.
ồng luôn.
You like them soft, you pick them the way how you like them. You like them soft, pick soft ones.
Dạ.
Dạ.
Muốn mềm thì mình hái trái mềm.
So now you notice the difference. It's a lot more sweeter, a lot
Yeah.
more tastier. Next stop is a tasting. Next stop is Tam Reload.
Nếu
This
mà
is our last
nếu mà
of our
không
fruits. And then
không,
we'll have up the cherry picker after that.
Ok.
xuất khẩu không bán được cửa hàng thì làm cho nó hết trời.
Người ta tới người ta hái á.
Bữa đây, thấy nè.
Nó bán tích kịch nó cũng
Người ta chỉ vậy thôi, người ta sống vậy người ta cảm thấy đủ là đủ rồi. Dạ.
Là có vé nhiều lắm.
Ok.
When
All
you're
good.
Cái này là
Ready?
out,
Ok,
put it
go.
back
cái này là chắc nó băng thêm thôi.
Thì vậy thôi.
We keep the net over it just to slow the parrots and big birds down.
Yeah.
Because when the birds go up underneath the netting, the dogs have a game of chasing.
Ok.
The
Yeah.
dogs will try and catch them. All right, let's move on. Let's go.
Giờ mình đi qua tiếp cái chặng khác nha, để hái trái cây khác. Còn đây là mấy trái kiwi nè, nãy mình hái nè. Cái này á, là người ta sợ chim ăn đồ đó. Dạ. Dạ, nên người ta phải bọc lại vậy nè, để đừng có chim vô phá, hoặc là mấy con chó đồ á, nó vô nó phá mấy cái cây này uổng lắm nha các bạn. Quá rộng. Còn đi qua bên hái trái cây bên này nữa. Rồi lát cuối cùng á là mình đi qua cái chỗ mà nó nuôi ong nó lấy mật á. Dạ. Dạ, chung á. Nội mấy cái này đâu làm đâu có hết giờ đâu chứ không hết tiền rồi. Dạ.
4 triệu Việt Nam thì được đó.
1 triệu Úc là 17 tỷ.
7 tỷ.
Cái trái này trái gì em?
Perfect
Yeah.
in every way.
Sweet one, right?
Yes, because it's extra ripe. More softer they are, the more sweeter they are, the more better they are. Only eat the inside of this one. Do not
Yeah.
eat the skin. The
Đừng
skin
có
is
ăn cái
made-
vỏ nha, mình
the
ăn
skin
cái
is
trong
majorly
thôi.
bitter.
Yeah.
Just eat the inside of it and you'll see why. It tastes like a mango, a passion fruit and a tomato, all in the one piece of fruit.
Cái này là
So you can see why it's going to have
Ăn
a
ở trong
really
thôi, bỏ
sweet
cái vỏ
taste
đi.
to it.
cái gì ha.
A lot of people like this one because it's easy to grow.
Okay. So we get any medicine for this one?
No, this one's
Yeah.
too expensive.
Okay.
This one's more expensive than in your local fruit shop. These are around about nearly $20 a kilo.
Wow, hai
They're
chục
majorly
đồng
expensive
ký.
piece of fruit.
Ghê à. Cái
Ừ.
này của anh ơi.
Trong local shop á, 20 đồng ký.
Đủ vậy?
Yeah. $20 for kilo.
There's more.
20 kg.
They're 20 bucks a kilo. They're very expensive fruit. You go in your local fruit shop and you're paying an arm and a leg for it, which is too much.
Yeah.
But when you can get it like this off the tree, it's better. This one you can taste the bitterness of the tomato. You taste the mango, which is the pulp,
Yeah.
and the passion fruit, which is the seed, and the skin around the edge of the skin is the tomato. If you peeled the skin off this one, it's just like having a normal tomato. So if you get a tomato in your local fruit shop, peel the skin off it and then eat it because it tastes even better. It's only bitter because of the skin on the outside of that normal tomato.
Yep.
It's always got a lot of chemical on the outside of the skin all the time. Because most of the stuff, if you're getting fruit from say China, there's always a lot of chemical on it.
Yeah.
We like to keep less chemical on our fruit because
Okay.
it's better for
Yeah.
you and it makes it more better in taste.
Even from the apple in here, like my friend told me, like they keep in the fridge for over like a year, something like that. You
Even
know?
longer even.
Yeah.
You can hold apples in a CO storage room, the CO core room, which
Yeah.
is what they do is they take the air out of the air out of the fridge itself.
Yeah.
So they take all the oxygen out, so the
okay.
fruit won't grow.
Ah.
It won't ripen
And
up.
what you know, like outside the skin of the apple, they had like something like the white one. Is that the waxing or something like that? You know?
Yeah, they put the wax on the outside
What
of it
is that
to
for?
protect. They use it for protection
Okay.
of their fruit.
Yeah.
And the wax on it is an eatable wax as well, but it's no good to eat for you.
So all the time,
just peel it
the
off. Always
skin
peel
off.
your skin off your apple.
Yeah.
If you get apples from anywhere, even if from Coles or Safeway or in your local little fruit
But
shop,
no,
just peel the skin off it. Go to your local little
Yeah.
fruit shop to get your fruit. Don't go to Coles and Safeway and buy your fruit in there. Go to your little local supermarket or to
But
your little local
like
fruit shop.
from the
It's better.
science research, they say like the skin it had like a lot of vitamin in there, you know.
It does have a lot of vitamins in
Yeah.
your skin and your fruit.
Yeah.
It's always got a lot.
Okay.
So if you ever go to a fruit shop, spot your closest little local fruit shop to you,
Yep.
where you're living, because then you can
So
get the
we're
fruit
very
off it.
close to the Bachismat, you know?
Back at Smart.
Yeah, next to the mountain one.
You can go there
Yeah.
as well to get fruits as well.
Yeah.
Just remember, just make sure he is definitely a farmer.
Okay.
Don't buy it off a person who's not a farmer. If you go to like your local farmers market around your area, there's plenty to go to.
Mm.
There's one good one in Berwick, which
Yeah.
is at the cheese factory in Berwick.
Mm.
Just make sure he's got a brochure on his store where his farm is, and ask him, can you come out to the farm to buy your fruit direct and get it off him at his farm?
Yeah, direct
If he
to the
says-
public one.
Yeah, but if he says he says, oh no, we don't have people come to the farm, he's not a grower.
Okay.
He's buying it in and then
And
reselling
sell
it
it,
again.
yeah.
You don't want to play games.
No.
Always go to your local farmer's market, buy it off the grower himself,
Okay.
and make sure he's 100% a farmer.
Yeah.
If they're saying they're getting their fruit and that from Queensland,
How
Don't
can
buy
you
off 'em.
recognize like he's a farmer? Maybe
he'll
look
have a
on the
brochure-
hand
no,
or
he'll have a brochure on his store where his
Okay,
farm is,
yeah.
and you can always ask him that question, can we come out to the farm? Say you got 3 or 4 kids sitting at home,
Yep.
just crap to them a little tiny bit, and you tell them you got a big family, say you got 3 or 4 kids sitting at home and you want to buy in bulk. But if you buy in bulk, it's cheaper.
Okay, yeah,
So
all
when
the
you buy
time,
in
yeah.
bulk all the time, it's cheaper
Yeah.
for you.
Hoa này rồi có bán không?
Yeah,
Nhanh
you,
nhanh bán hay sao?
you can get a photo
No,
if
no,
you
no.
want.
Không,
Get a photo if you want, mother.
Chồng không,
Those ones
đâu
over
có
there are
bán.
plums,
Yeah.
and there's peaches over there as well. I've got persimmons, figs, and other different stuff as well.
She
So-
asking about you send just selling the ranch, you know, cut the
A
ranch,
branch?
yeah, and selling.
No, I wish. I
Ông
wish,
không
Mama.
ước á.
Buy a tree and put it in. It's more better for you.
Okay.
Okay? If you're going to do that, just get yourself a tree and then put your own tree in your backyard.
Yeah.
Only one problem, these hate frost. Look what
Yeah.
it did to the frost. Frost burnt the top of the leaves off the fruit,
Yeah.
off the trees. These trees here, because if mum, don't push that tree over, Mama.
Đừng
What do
đừng
you
đừng
do?
có đẩy cái cây
These
này.
trees here have a very low, very high to the top of the ground
Yeah.
root system. So the
Ah.
roots are only down that far into the
Ờ,
ground.
Tại vì cái
So
rễ
they've
nó
got a
thấp
very,
á.
very small amount.
Yeah.
But with a peach tree and a plum tree, they're down that far.
Yeah. See,
With a gum tree like that, you're down that far or even more
Yeah.
even. Yeah, so there you know.
he work in this field. He had a lot of knowledge about this one. So,
I'm
yeah.
teaching you, so you can become a farmer and you can do all of this sort of stuff, you know.
So how big for the land? So could
There's
be
40
1 acre.
There's 40 acres here.
Wow, 40 acres.
450 varieties.
Wow.
So every day of the year, there's a fruit here of some sort coming onto the farm and growing on the farm.
Yeah.